Today I'll show you a production line that starts with producing soap from fats and caustic soda. First, let's go over the saponification part of the production line. We'd like to recommend our self-developed saponification mixing reactor specially designed for soap and soap noodle manufacturing. This machine adopts integrally welded carbon steel tank with reinforced anti-corrosion inner wall to resist strong alkaline soap liquid. High-power mixing drive is installed on top with layered agitator blades to fully blend oil and lye for complete saponification, delivering smooth, particle-free soap base. Reserved ports for feeding, temperature test and circulation. Temperature control jacket is optional for constant temperature saponification. Conical bottom eliminates dead space, less residual material and easy cleaning. Non-standard tank volume customization is supported, which can be matched with 3-roll mill and soap stamping machine to build full automatic soap production line. Compared with simple mixing barrels, our reactor improves reaction efficiency by over 40% with energy-saving motor and robust long service life, widely adopted by daily chemical factories worldwide. We provide factory installation guide and after-sale. If you have any questions or needs, please contact us promptly.